Hey friends, welcome back to Live Free and Tool Line. Today we are going to talk about the P593 PEX cutter from the good old Ryobi. Now this can cut PEX and PVC and PVC pipes up to 2 inches. Now a lot of people look at this and you're going to say, that really doesn't look like a PEX cutter that I've used before. And well, maybe it's not. But this does PEX and PVC, so we're going to test it out on both from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 inch, and you're going to see today how this actually works. Now Ryobi does not do a lot of plumbing tools, and the reason why is because its big brother Milwaukee does a lot of plumbing tools, but for the DIYer they make just enough tools to make your life a lot easier, and today we're going to be checking that out. So everybody hang on, my name's Brent, this is Live Free and Tool On. Here we go. If you've done a lot of PVC work in the past, you've probably used something similar to this. This is a razor blade PEX cutter. Now this one's made by Milwaukee, and it's very popular, it's very easy to use, and it's very durable, and it doesn't break the bank. However, this is only good for PEX, not PVC. This does both. Now one of the things that you should know about this is that the stainless steel blade right here, well, it comes off. All you do is press one button here. That releases 2 pins and then your pivot point right in the middle. It comes right off. The big thing about that is that it's toolless and it's super fast. Another thing that you can see is that it has a light, so you're able to see what you're cutting pretty good. Now, if we also take a look at this side, if we go ahead and press this button right here, well, it's a quick release, so you don't have to wait to go ahead and reverse the cycle, but that's not to say it can't do that. In order to use this, you have a little lever down here, and all you do is you press that down. So I usually take my third finger, ring finger, and I press it down, and I use these 2 fingers, and I set them up here just like this. Why? Because if you press this button going down, that cuts it, and if you take this finger and you press it up, well, that's going to pull it up. But you have the option of the quick release, so you really don't have to worry about that. Now, this is a little bitty piece of PEX, and this should be easy to cut. Let's go ahead and do that. No problem. Let's go ahead and hit that quick release so we can get it up there. Let's do a 3/4 inch. This is PEX A and PEX B. Not that it really matters. It's going to cut them both just the same and just as easy. Now we're going to move on to PVC. This is a nice little 1/2 inch PVC. We're going to go ahead and press it down. So that cut it without any issues at all. And you can see whenever we release this that it does have a divot for it to go into. And this blade does have a point on it so it can actually pierce into the pipe, and that creates your cut. So if we do a big old 2 inch pipe just like this, we're going to set it in there, we're going to press the button down, and look at that, it cut it without any issue at all. And that's what you really want, because whenever you're making cuts with PVC, a lot of times you're going to use a saw, you're going to have to deburr it, use a deburring tool, or you're going to have to use sandpaper, but you have to have a really nice cut on this. Now you also have to make a little chamfer on here that when you press the fitting onto here, well, that doesn't get bound up and it doesn't create any micro cuts in there, so you can avoid a lot of the leaks. But as a DIY tool, I think this, for the small cost of what it is, it's really worth it. It comes with a lot of amenities. It's super handy to have around. It's not going to break the bank, so you can count on it. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it informational. If you did find it informational, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. please share the video. It helps me and helps the channel out here to share the video. And please hit that notification bell as well so you get all the latest and greatest as soon as I upload it, and you can go watch it, and I would sincerely appreciate that. And until next time, friends, I'll see you. Take care.